Welcome to Mastering Kvcore, a comprehensive tutorial for real estate agents. In this tutorial, we will explore the ins and outs of Kvcore, the ultimate platform for real estate professionals. We'll cover everything from setup to advanced features, helping you enhance your business operations and boost productivity. So let's dive right in. Are you a real estate agent looking to level up your business? Look no further. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will guide you through Kvcore, a cutting-edge platform designed to empower real estate agents like you. With its extensive set of features, Kvcore helps you streamline your workflow, attract more leads, and close deals more efficiently. Is an all-in-one solution that integrates lead generation, customer relationship management, CRM, and marketing automation into a single platform. It provides you with a centralized hub to manage your contacts, communicate with potential buyers and sellers, and track your marketing campaigns, all in one place. Now, let's start by setting up your Kvcore account. The initial steps include creating a personalized profile, connecting your email and calendar, and importing your existing contacts. Once you've completed the setup, Kvcore's intuitive interface will allow you to seamlessly navigate through its various modules. One of the most powerful features of Kvcore is its lead generation capabilities. You'll learn how to leverage landing pages, squeeze pages, and call-to-action forms to attract potential clients. You can even customize these pages to align with your branding, ensuring a consistent message throughout your marketing efforts. Next, we'll dive into Kvcore's CRM functionalities. Building and maintaining strong relationships with your clients is crucial for success in the real estate industry. With Kvcore CRM, you can categorize leads, track interactions, and automate follow-ups, boosting your chances of converting leads into closed deals. You'll also discover how to utilize the platform's robust analytics to gain insights into your clients' behavior and preferences. To further enhance your marketing efforts, Kvcore provides advanced automation features. We'll demonstrate how to create email-drip campaigns, schedule social media posts, and even send personalized video messages to engage your leads and nurture relationships. With Kvcore, you'll save time while staying connected with your clients in a personalized manner. Lastly, we'll explore Kvcore's integrations and advanced settings. You'll learn how to connect popular third-party apps and services, such as MLS platforms and online advertising tools, to supercharge your marketing reach. Additionally, we'll walk you through configuring advanced settings within Kvcore, ensuring a tailored experience that aligns perfectly with your unique needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have mastered Kvcore's vast array of features and gained the skills to take your real estate business to new heights. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of Kvcore for your success. That wraps up our comprehensive tutorial on mastering Kvcore for real estate agents. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in leveraging Kvcore's features to streamline your business operations and drive success. Remember, with Kvcore, you have the ultimate tool at your disposal to attract leads, nurture relationships, and close deals more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you